welcome to Gurdeva online classes. So my dear cute children, what we have discussed in the last class is once you remember, yes, it's about skip counting along with multiplication by column method, right? So first we will revise those by doing these problems, right? So come to the first one. So 5 into some space they gave here, right? So it means you have to count in fives and fill up the next 4 boxes, right? So counting fives means for the number 5 you have to add again a 5. So 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So write down 10 here. So next, for the number 10 you have to add again a 5. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So write down here 15. The next, for the number 15, again you have to add 5. So 15 plus 5, it is 20. Write down here 20. The next, 20 plus 5, it is 25. Right? So now come to the next problem, that is 4 into 4. So for solving this problem, you should remember the table of 4. So in that 4 fours are equals to what? Yes, 4 4 are equals to 16. So but 16 it is a 2-digit number, right? But 6 it is in the place of ones and 1 it is in the place of tens. So I am writing the 6 under the columns of ones. Next, I am writing this 1 under the columns of tens. Right? So, in this problem, 4 and 4 are the factors and 16 it is the product. So, already you know the answer in multiplication, we call it as product. Right? So, come to the third problem. So, 7 into 5. For solving this problem, you have to recall the table of 5. So in that 5 sevens are equals to what? Yes, 5 sevens are equals to 35. So this 35, it is a 2-digit number, right? So but this 5, it is in the ones place. So I am writing under the columns of ones. But this 3, it is in the place of tens. So I am writing under the columns of tens here. So in this problem, 7 and 5 are the factors, 35 it is the product, right? So my dear students, so this is about our previous class activity. So now come to our today's concept. So my dear students, in this class I will teach you the multiplication of 2-digit number by 1-digit number. So in the last class we are taking both a single digit, right? So but here I am taking 2-digit by 1-digit. So my dear students, so now come to our today's concept. So the first example is 10 into 3. So already you know 10 3s are equals to 30. It means here we add the number 10 how many times? 3 times, right? So 10 plus 10 plus 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 10 it is 30. So here we add the number 10 3 times. Here which number are we added repeatedly here? Here we add the number 10 repeatedly. So in multiplication the number 10 is called multiplicand. So my dear students, so here we add the number 10 3 times, right? So in multiplication this 3 is called multiplier. So already you know the product, that is 10 into 3, 30, right? So this is called the product. So my dear students, so already you know in multiplication the answer is called product. So in this problem, so 30 is the product. So multiplicand into multiplier is equals to, it gives a product, right? So in multiplication the number which is multiplied are called multiplicand, and the number by which is multiplicand, that is called multiplier, and the result, the answer in multiplication, we call it as product, right? So now I will show one more example to you, right? So my dear students, come to the first problem, 32 into 2. So in this problem, which is the multiplicand? So here 32 is the multiplicand and which is the multiplier? 2 is the multiplier, right? So first, here you have to solve by using column method. The first step is you have to arrange the given numbers under the columns of tens and ones. So my dear student, so look here. So this is the ones and tens column. So the first one, the multiplicand, it is a 2-digit number. So I am writing at first, right? The next, the multiplier, it is 2, right? So I am writing 2 under the columns of ones because it is a single digit number, right? So next, place the symbol of multiplication in front of the multiplier, right? So next, how to solve this problem? First, we have to solve the numbers in the ones column with multiplier. See here, so this is the multiplier, right? So here 2 into 2. You have to multiply these two numbers. 2 into 2. 2 2's are equals to what? 2 2's are equals to 4. So write down under the columns of ones because it is a single digit number. So next, after this, again you have to multiply with 3. So here the multiplier is the 2. By using this, you have to multiply these two numbers one by one. So we finish the 2. Next I move to the tens column. 2 into 3. The next one is 2 into 3. So 2 3's are equals to 6. So write down under the columns of tens. So which is our product? 64 is our product. So write down here 64. Right? So now come to the next problem. 41 into 2. So in this problem, multiplicand is the 41, multiplier is the 2. Right? Now you have to find out the product. So first step is you have to arrange it under the columns of tens and ones. The first one is multiplicand. It is a 2-digit number. So I am writing at first. Right? So which is the multiplier? Here 2 is the multiplier. So I am writing 2 here. The next, put the symbol of multiplication in front of the multiplier. Right? So what is the next step? So first you have to multiply the ones by multiplier. So here the 2 is the multiplier. Right? So first 2 into 1. 2 1 is 2. Right? So next, ones place after the next one is tens. So here you have to multiply the tens again with the multiplier. So here 2 into 2 into 4. 2 4's are equals to what? Yes, in the table of 2, 2 into 4 is equals to 8. So write down under the columns of tens. So which is our product? 82 is our product. So write down here 82. So now I will show another one example. So now come to the third one, that is 40 into 2. So here you have to find out the product. So in this problem, 40 is the multiplicand and 2 is the multiplier. So first step is you have to write down these two under the columns of tens and ones. So first ones I am writing the multiplicand, that is 40. Right? The next one. So which is the multiplier here? 2 is the multiplier. So I am writing at next and put the symbol of multiplication in front of the multiplier here. Which is the multiplier? 2 is the multiplier. Right? So multiply the ones with the multiplier. So here 2 into 0. 2 into 0 is equals to what? 2 into 0 is equals to 0. So according to second property of multiplication, says zero property, right? What it tells, when you multiply any number with 0, the product is always 0 itself, right? So 2 into 0, it is equals to 0, right? So now you have to multiply the tens with the multiplier. So 2 into 0, it is 0. 2 into 4. So 2 fours are equals to what? Yes, in the table of 2, 2 fours are equals to 8. So write down here 8. So which is our product? 80 is our product. So write down here 80. So now come to the fourth problem. 13 into 3. So in this problem, multiplicand is the 13 and 3 is the multiplier. So first you have to write down under the columns of tens and ones. So it is 13. Next the multiplier is the 3. So put the symbol of multiplication into here. The first step is multiply the ones with the multiplier. So 3 into 3. So 3 into 3 is 3 into 3. In the table of 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. The next, multiply the tens with the again multiplier. So 3 1 is 3. Right? If you multiply any number with 1, the product is the same number itself. So 3 into 1, it is 3. So which is our product? 39 is our product. So now comes to the last problem, that is 21 into 4. So in this problem, 21 is the multiplicand and 4 is the multiplier. So write down 21 under the columns of tens and ones. The next, write the multiplier and put the symbol of multiplication here. The next step is multiply the ones with the multiplier. So here 4 into 1. 4 into 1, it is 4. According to third property of multiplication, if you multiply any number with 1, the product is the same number itself. So 4 into 1, it is 4. The next, multiply the tens with the multiplier. So 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. So which is the product? 84 is the product. So write down here 84. Right? So my dear students, now I am moving to the textbook activity. So it is in the page number 78. See here, this is an exercise number 1.8. I am reading the headline. Listen here. Multiply. So my dear students, so this is an exercise number 1.8. So in that the first one is 12 into 2. So here they solve the problem. The answer is 24 here. So now I am moving to the second problem, that is 22 into 3. So in this problem, multiplicand is the 22 and 3 is the multiplier. Right? So here the first step is you have to multiply the ones with the multiplier. So 3 into 2. 3 into 2. 3 2s are what? In the table of 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6. So I am writing 6 here. Next, I am moving to the tens place. So here also you have to multiply tens with the multiplier. So 3 into 2. Again 3 into 2 here. 3 into 2, it is also equals to 6. So which is our product? 66 is our product. So now come to the third one. So 51 into 1. So in this problem, 51 is the multiplicand and 1 is the multiplier. So first one is multiply the ones with the multiplier. So here 1 is the multiplier. So 1 into 1, it is always 1 itself. Right? The next, multiply the tens with the multiplier. So 1 into 5, it is equals to 5. According to third property of multiplication, right? So come to the fourth one, 11 into 5, right? So in that, 5 is the multiplier and 11 is the multiplicand, right? So first step is multiply the ones with the multiplier. So 5 into 1, it is 5. The next, multiply the tens with the multiplier. So 5 into 1, it is also equals to 5. So 55 is the product. So my dear students, I showed how to solve this problem up to 4th, right? So remaining problems you have to solve in your home. Now I will give some homeworks to you. All of you do in your home. So my dear students, so here is your homework. Write down. So you have to solve these 4 problems along with the exercise number 1.8. So in that the remaining problems also you have to solve, right? Along with that, write the tables of 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 2 times. Right? If you know the tables, then you are solving very easily. So please learn the table. Right? So my dear students, I hope you all enjoyed this class by learning the multiplication of the numbers. Right? Okay students? Bye. All of you solve the remaining problems without missing. Right? Okay students, bye. Have a blessing day.